Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Welcome back to another video. That's a good news for all Harmony One holders. Hope you will be feel very happy after watching this video, because in this video I'm talking about the good news of the Harmony. So keep watching and never miss any second of this video. But before starting this video, please also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about the cryptocurrencies market. What's going on in crypto, you will update if you subscribe my channel. Now it is time. Personally, I'm feeling very good, very happy about Harmony One coin. Why I'm feeling very happy? Because the price changes of the Harmony is positive. The price is going to increase day by day, hour by hour. The last 24 hours pricing is positive, and the previous last 1 hour pricing is also positive, my friends. From the yesterday, the Harmony start pumping, and still the Harmony is in the pumping mode. So hope Harmony One will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. No doubt, my friends, no doubt. They will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. The price is going to increase at this time in Harmony One coin. So I recommend for everyone to please hold. Wow, you can see, my friends, I'm talking about this, the latest changes. That is a quick jump, my friends. I believe that that's a quick jump of the ancient coin. Absolutely, this pump will continue for the 1 week. So the 1 week Harmony price is going to increase. So that's a good news. You're feeling good now? Tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Harmony? Tell me in the comment box. Anyways, hope you like this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.